is IP addressing? Domain name systems. While IP addresses are crucial for network communication, they are not easy to memorize. Most likely, whenever you access any website, most of the, maybe you have at least 10, 15 websites, maybe if I ask you today, you can easily write them down. Okay, but maybe you don't understand how they work. For the computer or network device, the name has no relevance. There is always an IP address is mapped behind the name, and that is the job of DNS server. Without DNS server, your IP communication will not work. So if somebody asks you in the interview question, okay, you came in the morning and somebody reported on the call that my internet is not working, how will you troubleshoot? Okay, before we ping what? Okay. Okay. So let's say he's on the network. He gives you the IP address as well. He gives you the MAC address as well. Then you want to reach to bbc.com, but it's not working. So first of the things, what do you check? You check the IP address, check the MAC address, IP config, ping, it's working. So what is the next thing? Okay. So basically, you know, whenever you ping, so let's have a look. If I'm going to command line, which we opened before, as I said before, window and R key, go to the R and run CMD. And let's say I'm pinging what? I'm pinging to, okay, now you can see my response is coming, my first packet, what happened? What is first happened? Pinging from BBC, a number, some kind of a number with 32 bytes of data. So what has happened? The first request, what happened? The name and the number. And reply comes, then the later on 4 reply are not coming from bbc.co.net.uk, but they are coming from an IP address or a number. So as I said, for the networking devices or even computer, the name has no relevance. The name is only relevant for the people, for us. If I need to remember 212.58.223.254 as a human in order to reach to bbc.com, it is not possible for me to remember these numbers. So for human interaction, for human easiness, they develop a DNS server. And DNS server has a name, and that name is mapped to an IP. So initially when you try to communicate to BBC or google.com, that request goes to DNS first. And if the DNS is not reply back with an IP, it means your DNS is not working, or it maybe is giving you the wrong IP, and then it means the communication will be broken. So machine does not know where is bbc.co.uk, but machine need to know, first of all, is it my remote network or a local network? Tell me. Please. It's remote. How? Because if I do IP config, my IP config is 10.205 network, right? Okay. But BBC is on 212 network. It means they are different. At least first 3, think about it, right? Left side, they are different. So it means that DNS is there. DNS, because I'm pinging to IP address, sorry, name, and it resolving an IP. Basically, the job of the DNS is to resolve your name into an IP. So first thing, if you come in the morning and your internet is not working, you must need to check your IP address. Then of course, making sure the DNS is correctly working. Ask what is the DNS server? How can you find the DNS server? IP, please type this command, IP config space all. And you can see the DNS may be different for you. My DNS is 11111.1001. So I have 2 DNS, primary and backup. Clear? Maybe you have a different, but okay. Another way you can check, you can tap this command ns lookup, and you can see now I log into, you can see it's giving me IP address. If I type So you see, it waits some time and it say non-authorized authoritative answer. The IP name is this, and it's getting, sorry, name is this, amazon.co.uk, and you can see alias, and it giving me the IP address is this. Similarly, so if I say, so you see it resolving to 31 IP. Clear? You can test the connectivity of the DNS from the machine. You can ask the user, can you please ping to ping bbc.co.uk? And if it's not resolving into an IP address or the ping is not successful, it means his DNS has a problem. Yeah. So if you have at home and if you're troubleshooting your network, a small network, and if the internet is not working, check your IP, ping to the gateway, check your DNS is working or not. So that's the kind of investigation you need to do. This means the problem is the DNS, maybe a problem with the DNS, then maybe internet connection. If the DNS is working fine, then it may be a problem with your local router. It means DNS is fine. Yeah, it can ping it can resolve the IP into the name into IP. So every name, because I told you the name is for a human. For machine, there is a number, logical address. Machine does not recognize the number, name, sorry. So that is why you need DNS. So DNS can resolve, map the name into IP. So that's why every time you go to cisco.com, it will give you the IP address of this number. So client will get this, send this request to DNS directly. The configured DNS on the machine. If the DNS, if in your house, if the DNS is not working, internet will not work. Yeah, DNS is the worldwide subject, is a separate subject for that. Every company has their own DNS. Google has provided the DNS services. Other companies also provided some DNS services as well. You can figure out. House. Yeah, your router is your DNS. Our router is our DNS. Yeah. So we have to configure our router. Yeah, most likely it configure itself. Okay. BT or version they already configure. It automatically give you that server IP address. Or you can configure yourself as well. You can have a look on your machine. For example, where is the, if I type network, for example, so you can see if I go to this network, I go to change network adapter option. Here I can see all of my network, and you see my wireless router. If I double click here, you see these properties, for example, and from the property onward, you can see IP TCP connection, and you can see on my machine, I am using this DNS server. If I say get the IP address, automatically DNS automatically, my router, whatever the configure IP address on the router, it will give me. But I am using 111. Okay, that's my preferred address. I can leave to the router, like the IP address I can obtain from router, or I can similarly I can address get the DNS, or I can configure that my address is different. DNS allow for this dynamic translation of the domain name into the correct IP. Okay, that's, you can see the DNS query from the machine or the network to DNS query, and it reply back that this is the IP address of this machine. So then now the packet, the next packet is not going for the DNS query, but the next packet is going directly for the IP address. NS lookup command we already showed you. Okay, what is the NS lookup command?